Hello you guys, I'm going to make a really cool marshmallow bomb, and I can't wait until you see it because it's going to be on YouTube, and I can't wait for you to see it. So first, we're going to have 4 marshmallows. If they are stick together, don't pull a lot. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you can leave it like that. If it looks like they're stick together and you really can't get them, then get it from the bottom, because then it's easier to make the marshmallow bomb. And sometimes it will stick on the plate and it'll get on your finger and it won't get on the plate. That's okay, they're really, really sticky. And if you want to make this sometime, your hands are going to have to get sticky because you're going to need a lot of things to put it on. So first, warning that don't shake it because it's already good. If you shake it, it's not going to taste good on there. That's a little tip. So you put it right in the middle. So, second thing is that you can put any topping you want. The topping I want is this. So we can make a little cat right here. And then, so those are the ears, and then we can make little eyes. So how are we going to do this? You're probably not going to really put your hand in it, but you can put it like that. You can put it on the plate, anything you want to do. So this is something you can do any day, but at least if you have breakfast and then have it, that's okay. But used to having some of this is okay. You have to put all the things in a pile. So so now I think what the final thing is, since we just put only one of these, it's time to put it right here. If they fall down, that's okay. You can put it right back up, because it really sticks to the marshmallow, so it doesn't so fiber sticking out, it makes it easier to stick on, like my hands are sticking. I can't really get it off a lot, so it makes me have a little bit of time. And you can make, you can make a little tail for it. See, it sticks to the marshmallow. So this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching. Just find it anywhere. It's the best video. Find it anywhere. It's even on YouTube. It's even on TV. So what you can do, you can even watch it wherever you go. If you have your laptop or phone, you can still see it a lot. Bye.